Hey guys, so this is an amazing meal here my buddy Kenner's making for us. This is incredible lamb. Let me just flip the camera around, or no, I can't flip it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Unbelievable. Okay. I'm looking forward to diving in. Kenner, what do you think?
This is going to be awesome.
This is one of the best. Oh,
Raal Lamb Del Casino.
there we go. Raal Lamb Del Casino. So you guys can enjoy virtually. Well, like I say, I wish you guys would have the smell-o-vision on some of these these types of episodes. So enjoy, as I can't wait. Hey all, sorry to pause the video here, just need a favor to ask from all of you. So currently only about 10% of all the people watching these videos are subscribed. So it would be a huge help if you could hit that subscribe button down below, tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how I can continue my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. I'm working on it, and every subscription, every time you hit that like button, it helps with the YouTube algorithms and I can continue my goal. Now, that being said, it's not just for me. Every time my subscriber count doubles, I'll be giving out a gift pack to a lucky subscriber. So I gave one out at 500, gave one out at 1,000, gave one out at 2,000. Can't wait to give one out at 4,000, 8,000, 16, etc., etc. So what I'll do is basically put a package together of some nice coffee, flag, little gifts from different countries I've been to, and then yeah, I'll select a lucky subscriber, and again, that could be you. So please, if you could do your part, hit that subscribe button, tell a friend, tell a family member, and again, I appreciate all the support. Stay golden all. Some fresh logs. Oh, beautiful driftwood cedar. There we go. Oh, little beachside campfire coming up. Here we go, a little Campbell River fire. Try my Boy Scout skills here, putting them to the test. I was told I get 3 tries with a match, so let's see how I do. Okay, here's the matches. 3 tries with the match, no pressure. Windy beach fire, here we go. We're gonna get it. I hope. Okay. Here we go. Oh, love it when a plan comes together. Here we go. Love it when a plan comes together. Look at that. Brilliant. Oh, get me on Survivor. This is one match, maybe?
Nice.
There we go, Mama Joe. Thank you. You can stop anytime. I think that's a winner. So look at all this incredible driftwood that comes in every year in the winter, and then yeah, you get to have that, get a nice saw, chop it up, beautiful cedar. The smell of this is incredible. Look at that nice dried cedar. It's been sitting here on the beach for, I don't know, could be a year or so. Look at Mama Joe and Ken are having a good time. Hey guys.
Beautiful eye.
Let's throw another log on the fire. Oh, yeah, wish you guys could smell that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Campbell River living. Look at that beautiful water behind me. Can't beat it. This is another beautiful spot in Canada you guys got to come and check out. All right, show us how it's done, Kenner. Beautiful action. There we go. Look how beautiful that is. And we're almost getting ready for some beautiful hot dogs or sausages. All right, we'll see how a city boy chops wood. We'll give it a try. Nice, beautiful cedar. Again, this is free. Look at all the free driftwood behind me. The smell is unbelievable. We're gonna see if I can chop this. This is a big one. This is no pressure. Oh, that's screwed up. Oh my God. Nope, not happening. All right. God.
Do you want to be?
There we go.
You can cut it. It's got some knots. Yep. See, it's wet.
Good, just say hi. This is Pauly, and I'm sorry, I forget the dog's name. Oh, little Sabbi behind you. Look at.
Campbell River.
Yes, I love it. Love it. All right, Rick's putting the final touch of that. Yeah, look at all those knots in it. That's wow. Kenner, that's quite the fire, buddy. You're doing great.
Oh, I cut it down.
Down at down farther down, they're running on. Yeah, you're not allowed Love, greedy.
Woohoo! Look at that. Kenner, what are we having for dinner, buddy?
We're having country fried steak with sausage gravy.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful flip. That is. Oh my goodness. Good living. Look at these. Oh, we are eating well in Campbell River, I'll say that. Suspension bridge, ATJ. Look at this beautiful nature. Yeah, look at this. A little shaky on the heights, but we'll be all right. We'll be all right. Jesus. You can see the suspension bridge behind me here. I've already went on it. I'm still a little shaky afterwards, but oh yeah, don't love the heights. Hey, thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Travel with Carter. Really appreciate all the support I've been receiving. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you do really like what you're watching, and if you could share it with your friends and family, that would help also. Tune in next week as we go to a new country. Can't tell you where just yet, but video will be released next week. Stay golden all.